Hey guys, this is BME Helper. Um, I'm gonna introduce myself real quick and introduce the reason why I built this channel. So I'm an undergrad, and I'll be graduating in biomedical engineering from the University of Utah, and I'll be starting my master's degree, in BME at John Hopkinson. Um, a, a lot of people don't quite know or think they know what BME is until they actually take the classes. And from my experiences, it felt very compelling and very hard. And I just wanted to help out people that are going to um, take biomedical engineering as their majors, as their college degree. And also, I'll be covering like general science topics in the future. So, what is biomedical engineering? So, first off, what do we study? I just wanted to introduce the courses I took. So, simply, you study almost everything: Python, MATLAB, physics, chemistry, biology, calculus, and more advanced math courses, signals, which is a BME course, like circuits that are included in signals, biomechanics, which is BME, biomaterials BME, physiology, but it's like BME physiology, and more. As you can see, these are the general BME classes that you have to take in order to graduate. Uh, these are like the general science classes that you have to take. Science plus math courses that you have to take, and then there's BME statistics. It kind of depends on like each school, but like for us, our statistics course was covered by BME statistics. And the classes over here are called electives. So for our school, we had to choose about like 5 classes that add up to like 15 credits. And then you have to take like 9 or more classes from like upper division classes, which means it's the class number, like BME 1010. This should be 3,000 and higher. So, but the cool part is that you get the experience to like actually build things. Like, for me, I worked on a bruxism device. It's basically a smart mouth guard with 4 sensors and vibration feedback, plus Bluetooth and like all data logging. Also, you have to do a thesis projects. For me, I did like imaging, collagen imaging research to like go over like damaged tissues in bone and some cartilage. And even though like the coursework might be like compelling, you get to design like prototypes, like you get to like make firmware, like run experiments, and like you get like the experience of trying to actually solve like real clinical problems. And uh I'm pretty sure this will be different um from school to school, but this was my timeline and some tips I can give you guys. So, starting freshman sophomore year, it's like it's basically it's going to be the same like as like uh mechanical engineers, like electrical engineers. You just take like general education classes, general science classes like math, like biology, physics, chemistry. And then at this timeline, you'll be like if you look at your like degree audit, you'll be marked as like pre-major, pre-BME, which means that you are not like officially BME, but like after your last sophomore year and like like before like summer break, if you have like I don't exactly remember, but like if you have like a 3.2 or like 3.0 GPA, only including like the STEM classes, like the science, the science classes, then you get then your BME department will determine your major. So like it's like a pass or not pass thing. And then if you pass here, you're going to start to take like advanced BME classes from your first junior year. And then for me, so if you have like your junior year and then you have your first semester and then your second semester, I started my thesis project on my second semester, but it might feel a little like slow. So my recommendation is just like start your thesis projects from the first semester of your junior year. And then how to start thesis project is like so you're you're required to have like at least two figures. And then two figures mean like a plot, like an imaging or like graphs or like data, and then you have to like write your own like scientific thesis paper. And then this is required by course. You're gonna take a course writing the scientific paper. And then you're gonna take a design course, which is like building your own prototype for like solving clinical problems like heart disease, like jaw disease, like yeah. And then you're gonna take electives. So electives, it's like classes that you can choose from. Generally like five classes. And there's gonna be a lot of tracks like neuron like tracks like bioelectricity. If you want to focus on like one track, it doesn't matter. But like if you want to pick from that available classes, that's just up to you. And on senior year, more advanced BME classes, plus thesis, plus electives, and then you graduate. And then my tip is that so junior, second, and senior, first. My recommendation is that so junior first, this semester is going to be very busy. And then junior second might be like a little okay. And then most people become like a lot busier on senior first semester. So my tip is that it's going to be busy on junior first semester. So like why not just like like just go. And then you'll have a lot of time on your senior first semester to like wrap up your like thesis projects and focus on your design course because like these two are like very time consuming, and you guys want to um focus on these, not like studying for exams, like doing homework and all that. I'll be going over a lot some BME classes, like general BME classes, like we have like 1010, 1020 and more. And then I'll go over like general STEM classes, the science classes, like physics, like chem. And then I'll be focusing on some advanced BME classes. And yeah, thank you for watching.